Hi all, this is Manjit from Alpha Capital, and in today's video I will be talking about the recent set of events which happened on Adani Group and how the Hindenburg Research report triggered all of them. But before talking about all of that, let me give you a little bit of background around Adani Group as well as Hindenburg Research. Adani Group, as most of us know, is one of the most valued group of India. It has around 7 companies listed in India. Adani Port, Adani Power, Adani Transmission, Adani Total Gas, Adani Wilmar, Adani Enterprises, and Adani Green. So it has interests spread across power to renewable energy to FMCG to airports, etc. And Mr. Gautam Adani, who heads the Adani Group, was ranked amongst the top 3 richest individuals in the world. And his net worth till a month back was close to 120 billion USD. So that was about Adani. And now about Hindenburg Research. It was formed in New York around 2017. Their total employee strength is on 9 as per Wikipedia. And they are famous for coming out with research reports around corporate frauds, etc. and using those reports to take social positions to make money. So this is all a brief about Adani as Hindenburg Group. Now let's talk about the series of events which happened and what are the recent updates. So on 24th of Jan, Hindenburg Research came out with a report with close to 88 charges against Adani Group, ranging from stock market manipulation to accounting frauds to raising the stock prices using offshore shell companies, etc. And in response, Adani gave a rebuttal with 400 plus pages of presentation, negating each of those charges. And series of statements were given out by Adani Group, ranging from that the percentage of exposure of corporate debt to Indian institutions has come down from 85 plus percentage to close to 36% percentage now. Most of the debt which has been raised recently has been done from international institutions, close to 50% now. And they have a strong cash flows of close to 60,000 crore yearly, and they have assets of close to 3.5 lakh crore, showing the strength of the overall group. And you've seen some positive statements from our finance minister. She's saying that this event does not impact the macroeconomic condition of India. And even the heads of institutions like LIC, SBI, they came out with saying that the exposure to Adani Group is not significant, less than 1%, and they don't see much of an impact. But along with that, there are other events which happened, and overall the damage was done. If you see that overall market valuation of Adani Group has been come down by more than 50%, and even the net worth of Mr. Gautam Adani has come down by over 50% to close to 53 billion USD or so. And we've seen in recent days, we've seen events such as negative ones like MSCI reducing the weightages of certain group companies in the indexes, which could see some outflows. Moody's credit rating agency, they have reduced the outlook from stable to negative on some of the group companies. But at the same time, there have been certain positives like Adani, after raising successfully the money through FPO, they returned the money to the investors on moral grounds because the stock price has come down. And they also recently repaid 1.1 billion by releasing some of the pledged shares to build the confidence. But at the same time, Adani has ramped down their capex plans for the coming years, as well as they're trying to raise money from Abu Dhabi-based IHC. But if you see, all this has not impacted our Indian markets much. The strength is still there, and it is based the investors' confidence and the strong fundamentals of the economy. And if you look at the investments by mutual funds, there's hardly any exposure because AMCs and mutual funds, they didn't invest much seeing high valuations. And even for Alpha Capital, our debt portfolio of funds don't have any exposure to Adani, and even those active funds. Although index funds have some minimal exposure. So that's all. I hope you found this information helpful and look forward to see you soon again. Thank you.